The last type of example for this section would be dealing with something that's like 4 sine squared theta plus 3 equals 0. So what's the first step? Good. So I have 4 sine squared theta equals -3, and then what? Actually, I have to make this a minus, otherwise it won't work. Sorry, guys. So add. And then divide by 4. So we have sine squared theta equals 3 over 4. Now what do I do?
Square root.
Good. When you take the square root, what do you have to put? Plus or minus. So I have sine theta equals plus or minus. Now, root 3, I can leave by itself, right?
Yeah.
What's root 4?
2
over 2. So now I need the positive and the negative, correct? So that means it's all the quadrants, because it wants the positive ones, which would be these top 2 quadrants, and the negative ones, which would be the bottom 2 quadrants. So now you're going to have 4 answers. Do you guys see that? Okay. Because it's plus or minus, that means I need all the quadrants. I need it when it's positive, which is the top 2 quadrants, and I need it when it's negative, which is the bottom 2 quadrants. So, I look on the chart, when is sine square root of 3 over 2? So I write 60 and pi over 3, that covers the first quadrant. How do I get the second quadrant? 180, close. Minus 60 gives me 120. How do I get the third quadrant? 180 plus 60, which gives me 240. And how do I get the last quadrant? Good. And for these, I just list them out. So, pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, when do I stop?
When you get to 2 pi.
Which is?
6 pi.
Good. So I'm going to cross out the ones that reduce. These 2 don't. 3 pi over 3 does. These 2 don't. 6 pi over 3 does. So there are my 4 answers because I need all 4 quadrants.